What's up, guys? It's me, Kay, and
Bree.
so dry. Back with another
My
video.
brother.
So, of course, as you can see from the title, it is another mukbang. I mean, we like to eat. So, today we got two different meals because we can never decide of what we want to eat. Never. It's always like, I'm hungry, babe, and I'm like, me too. And then she like, all right, let's go get something to eat. What you want? And then I'm like, it don't matter, whatever you want.
I know you told them no tomatoes.
I did say no tomatoes. And it's like back and forth, back and forth. Whatever you want, whatever you want, it don't matter. And then she's like, well, you want McDonald's? I'm like, no. You want Sonic? No. It's just, we never decide. So today, I was like, I want I want Taco Bell, and she wanted Burger King. So we got two different meals. I mean, I know we do a lot of mukbangs, but I guess because we just greedy, we like to eat. We some greedy heifers.
I don't know about the heifer, but
We some greedy heifers, like Riley say. So I had Taco Bell because I saw this commercial advertising these things.
it's like taquitos to me.
That's basically what it is. It's like rolled chicken or something. That's what it's called.
It's a taquito with a different name.
It's called rolled chicken. So I saw a commercial advertising the rolled chicken, and I wanted to try it. So I'll let you guys know what it tastes like. I got the they could have gave me a taco with it or something. It's the 4-piece combo, come with 4
Taquito.
rolled chicken and 2 dips, or you can get 2 rolled chickens and 1 dip. So I got that. Bam, bam, bam. So I hope they good. And I got some nacho cheese and some guacamole. I love guacamole. Somebody over here just had to get a burger.
Well, I didn't want a taquito.
I said Taco Bell. I didn't even tell you what I was getting until we got there. It's not a taquito.
Yes, it is.
And I got this good old Mountain Dew. That was my straw you opened, wasn't it?
No, I had a red straw.
Where's my straw?
They didn't give you that.
Yes, they did.
Must have dropped it in the rain.
Let me get my straw.
Found it?
Yep.
Cool.
My bell. Like, I don't know why this dog want to be in every video we do. It's like, we start recording, here she come. Or maybe it's because of the food today. I should have got me some fries.
You should have.
I'll just eat a few of yours. I eat Taco Bell all the time. I love Taco Bell. But somebody never wants it, so we don't go that much.
I just don't want to have diarrhea.
You don't have to get beans or cheese.
Taco Bell considered like, it's not Tex-Mex. Is it considered Mexican? What is it considered?
I don't know. Taco Bell. Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Because I just, you can't eat certain, you can't even think about Mexican food without beans and rice. So,
I don't know. What's Taco Bell considered? Mexican food, I thought. They don't sell, well, I guess it's still American. I don't know. So, let's see what these taste
you
like.
can just smell it.
Yeah.
It's a tortilla with chicken fried. That's all it is. Is that what it tastes like?
It's good. It's a little crunchy. Kind of super crunchy, not a little crunchy.
You gotta tell them,
Hold off on the crunchiness.
I don't want it well done.
It tastes pretty good though, but it's like, I don't know if these, they're not super hot. So I don't know, fried stuff is not good when it's been sitting up.
You should have asked for it fresh.
Yeah, I think next time I'll ask for fresh. How's your burger?
It's alright. I've had better. My fries aren't really hot.
Ooh. Ooh, excuse me. There's another burp for a person that asked for a mukbang with burps.
It's disgusting.
Look at me. Burp, 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 burp.
That person is a weirdo.
Well, they asked, somebody commented, I don't know. They commented on one of our videos. I think it's our first mukbang. And was like, a mukbang with burps for me, please.
It's disgusting. So
I mean, I can't just sit and
sociopath.
push out burps. I can't do that. But hey, there go a random burp.
It's disgusting.
Excuse me.
I can't sit here and push out random burps.
I didn't push it out. It just happened. I think it's the Mountain Dew.
It's disgusting.
Whatever.
That ain't nothing but mashed avocado and they call it guacamole.
I used to hate guacamole. And then all of a sudden everything changed and I was just like so in love with it. I wanted it all the time.
I don't eat that. I don't even want to say it. You know,
Taste it.
I'll pass. You know, the kids had the little song they kept singing.
What song?
Guacamole, guacamole.
I have no clue where they got that from.
Off YouTube.
A video called Guacamole?
It's literally the woman is singing the word guacamole and it's like the most annoying thing in the world. When someone keeps repeating it and repeating it.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Maybe I should slide that clip.
Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole.
Oh, excuse me again. Girl, I've never burped so much in one sitting. This is our first time eating today. We literally, I can never say literally right. We literally just got out of bed like an hour ago and decided we was hungry.
Don't break your teeth out your mouth eating that.
They are super crunchy. I don't know. I might try them again, but just ask for them fresh next time.
You know, when you work fast food and you ask for fresh, those people get mad. They give you that look like, what you trying to say?
I used to work fast food. I didn't get mad. Now, we're getting mad when they come in there. And I literally just like pull the fries up like 30 seconds before they walk in the door. They be like, I want it fresh and I need to see you cook it fresh. I'm like, no, I just put them up as you came in the door. I get mad then and they be like, no, I want some more. So there's nobody else ordering. You have to either use those or throw them out just to make them some more.
Then you got some restaurants, they'll sit there and re-dip the fries in the grease.
God, I hate that. You can taste it. You can tell. And they just gonna be even mad at me, so they might as well go ahead and fix my stuff fresh. Or listen to me complain and remake them fresh anyway. After they're stuck them back in the grease and wasting time.
Imagine how many times they do that.
That's some lazy cooks. Who didn't want to come to work today. It's raining so hard out there. It's raining. And guess who's about to be in the bed the entire weekend? Oh, excuse me. I'm about to be in bed the whole weekend. I'm not getting up at all. My kids will be gone for the weekend. They're supposed to be anyway, so we'll be leaving today. And I'll be back Sunday. And I am going to sleep from the time they leave
Look at
until Sunday.
Michaela.
Oh, actually, no, we said we was going to do videos this weekend. Who was that?
It's Michaela.
Who was the man?
It's Jack.
I was at Home Depot.
Look, she's in the damn
I
basket.
know, she just casually sitting like it's normal.
18 years old in the basket.
If I could fit in the
Just
basket, I'd get my
lazy.
big ass in the basket too and let you push me around.
She probably can't fit in there. She probably just uncomfortable as could be, but just don't want to walk.
Ooh, excuse me. This is gonna turn into a burger video.
That's the fucking disgusting.
You eating already?
Yeah, when my father like.
You just wasted food. You didn't eat the whole burger.
I left like a corner. Wouldn't even be enough to give the dog. Clean our mess. So we always tell the kids, clean the table before you eat.
Well, honey, I'm not done eating since you decided to finish without me.
Well, I'm sorry. I can't. I'm not sitting here wasting time burping.
One of our subscribers asked for a burping video. We have to. You ain't burped now one time.
So what do you want to do? Just sit here and burp?
So you need to push out a burp before this video.
I actually did burp to myself quietly.
You need to push out a burp.
Now I'm not gonna sit here and burp my ABCs and nothing like that. It's crazy.
How many times did I burp?
Like 3-4 times.
Mm-mm.
You ain't gonna see your teeth fall out.
And then, hey, I'm still Taco Bell.
Get you some new teeth.
Yep.
Got a bag and fix my teeth.
Got a taco and fix my teeth. I'm not full. I'm just keep
Christmas
eating.
like 18 days away.
I'm done Christmas shopping. Oh my God. I've never been done Christmas shopping this early. Like usually I'm like the week before Christmas, just now shopping or either getting a layaway out or something like that. But I was done before December 1st even hit. You done?
Mm-hmm. I was reading about Cardi and Offset.
I don't know what to say. I don't believe it. Yeah, I don't believe it.
Let me tell you something. You out your mind if you think you gonna marry me and then try to get a divorce.
What you trying to say?
I'm just letting you know.
What you trying to say?
The vows say to death do us part. So if you gotta, you know, we gotta get a divorce that bad, you better just roll over and kick that bucket.
What bucket?
You know, that's when people die. They say, "Oh, he kicked the bucket."
Mm.
People say that.
I've never heard that. So what is the bucket?
As country as you is, you should have known. You
What
should
is
know
the
what that
bucket?
is. Let's see.
No, I want you to tell me what is the bucket.
I don't fucking know. I guess their life.
How you gonna quote a song but don't know?
Not a song. It's like a people
Ooh,
say.
excuse me. Oh, excuse me. A person standing on a pail or bucket with their head in a slip noose would kick the bucket so as to commit suicide. What the heck?
Oh, I just thought it meant they died. Well, you get the point. They died.
That's not nice to say to somebody, kick their bucket. So you tell them to kill themselves?
No. I mean, I'm just saying, like, as if you died. Like,
That's not what it sounds like. It's like you telling me to commit suicide. When you
no,
say kick
it's
the bucket.
definitely not. I'm not promoting suicide in any way. But I was just saying, I mean, I guess we just won't use that anymore. I heard Riley say that before.
She said kick the bucket? Oh, Jesus.
She said something. Somebody, one of her YouTube families, their dog died. And she said, oh, their dog kicked the bucket. I don't think she knows what that means either.
Girl, I've never heard that. Don't kick the bucket. Don't kick the bucket. Leave the bucket standing.
What the elbow you?
I can't help it. I'm giving my subscriber what they asked for. That's for a video with some burps. And I am burping.
Whoever you are a weird man.
How you know it's a man?
Woman. Child.
They might like burps. They have a burp fetish.
Okay, my strange addictions.
People have strange addictions.
We know.
That's a separate video. That is a separate video of my strange addiction. Let me know if you guys want to know what my strange addiction is, and I will do a video. Oh, excuse me. I will do a separate video telling you guys about my strange addiction that I've had for some years now. We're not gonna talk about it right now, though.
Strange.
Yeah, it's very strange, but hey.
You know what's even stranger is you try to get other people hooked on your strange addiction.
It's actually people. I Googled it like years ago when I first
Okay, but
started.
I wasn't one, and you tried to try it. Like,
Well, you tried it. Don't try it till you don't knock it till you try.
well, I've tried it the way.
Don't knock it till you
I've
try
tried it
it.
the way it needs to be used. What it was produced to be used for.
Whatever.
The kids
Oh
are
my
doing
God.
it. You got your cousin come over here, and she's like, what, 3 years old? She was eating it. They're doing it.
Whatever. You guys, let me know if you want to know what my strange addiction is. And I will do a video telling you guys what it is. Yep.
We should all do a GoFundMe to get us some help.
I don't need help. There's other people out there that have strange addictions. I've seen the lady who ate her whole mattress.
She needed help.
That was her addiction, and it was tasty to her. Maybe I should try the cushion inside the mattress.
Maybe you shouldn't. And if you do decide to, do it on your side of the mattress.
I'm gonna sneak on your side.
Nah, I'm gonna notice. It ain't gonna be no sneaking. I know exactly how firm and how everything else my side is.
Whatever, but you
That's
still
why I
end
don't-
up on the other side.
We be in the middle. What are you saying?
Whatever.
You making too much noise.
I'm getting my trash up.
Yup, cause them girls gonna come in here. Y'all was at the table and y'all ain't cleaning y'all mess. If you're a stranger in our house and you seen the table after they ate, you would know exactly what they ate. Cause it'll still be on the table.
It's like I threaten them. I don't want to beat them for not cleaning the table, but geez, every single day I say clean the
Just think
table.
about how
and get
many
up.
people out
so
there-
if you heard this every day, it should be stuck in your head.
You
Like
think you
let
would
me
have
wipe
got
the table.
beat if you said it more than one time?
Yes.
You would have got beat, right?
My mama, my grandmother would tell me one time to do something. I didn't do it that first time. I got my behind beat. Trust me, that next time, I'm gonna clean it up. I don't care. They can get a spanking for it, and they still gonna forget the next time. Like,
I don't think they forget. We have this conversation all the time that they don't forget. They know what they're doing.
they purposely make me
They
mad.
purposely irritate you. They know exactly what to do to irritate you. So they purposely irritate you.
That's what all three of them. They have their own little.
They have their
buttons
own
they
little
push.
right, like a remote control. And they know exactly when to irritate you and when not. They know when to start and when to stop. But you do that too, so
I don't pout. I don't. I just know how to do what I want. I don't pout.
you,
No, I don't.
you pout.
I don't pout, guys.
You
I
remember,
don't pout.
remember the first time I told you no? Girl, I thought you were about to cry.
What you tell me no about?
You wanted something. I told you no.
I don't remember you telling me.
It was like the first time I told you no. Probably maybe the last.
I
two.
think I ended up getting whatever it was, probably.
Right, but you pouted.
Whatever.
You wanted something. I said no. It could have been. I could have been saying no. I could get a later time, or it could have been a gift, a surprise, and
I don't pout. No, I don't pout.
I've forgiven you stuff, and you still were pouting.
Like
you,
what?
You were pouting before I gave you something, and then you tried. You didn't want to like give in to me, so you continued to pout. Then finally, you just gave it up.
I don't remember that at all.
Valentine's Day, you were pouting.
What?
It's gross.
I've never in my life burped so much. Like,
It's disgusting. Like I said, Valentine's Day, you were.
I don't remember that either.
We have the video.
I got so much stuff Valentine's Day. I don't remember.
You were
pouting.
still pouting. You were pouting
I
before.
got stuff all day long. Why would I pout?
You got stuff starting the day before. And
Excuse me. What? Okay.
stuff started on Valentine's Day on the 14th. You got stuff started on the 13th that night. And for some reason, like before I left the house, you were pouting. I had left to go do what I had to do. And you were pouting before I left.
I don't remember that at all, but okay.
You were pouting. You have the video of you opening you didn't even want to open stuff. I don't want it.
Excuse me.
And you got some pretty nice stuff and I don't want it.
Yeah, I did. I don't remember pouting. Anyway, I do not pout.
She pouted.
No. I'm
This is
so
like-
full.
These children and their mama can be well-paid actresses. Ugh. Actresses.
Why?
One, all 4 of them can make themselves cry. Like, oh my God, I've never been like able to make the saddest thing could happen. I just like, oh, okay. Them.
Cue the tears.
Exactly.
Cue the tears.
All 4 of them. Well, maybe Jada.
I do not. It'd be sad. The reason I cry.
We watched Toy Story 3 last night.
Oh my God, it was sad. What happened? He
gave his toys away. And she
no.
was like, oh,
And he was giving his toys away because he was going away to college, and it was so sad. The last time he played with him, as he gave him to the little girl, I was in tears. It was so sad. Like,
what else did you cry about? You cried you cried. Several movies we've watched where you've cried.
you don't remember.
You've cried, but you can make yourself cry. Like,
I do not make myself
she
cry.
can make herself
My
cry.
feelings have to be hurt for me to cry.
Riley,
So-
oh my God, Riley, if she's pouting already and she's mad and you just aren't paying any attention to her pouting or her being mad or whatever, she will start crying.
Maybe
She-
we should
she
go
was
work
like-
for Tyler Perry to make some money.
Warner Bros, anybody.
I don't need no eye drops. If it's sad, I'm gonna cry.
You damn sure don't need no eye drops. They don't even need to be. Like some people, oh, let me think about the death of my grandpa or something, and then they start crying. They start thinking about stuff. They don't know. They can think about some sunny day at the beach, and then it start raining. Bam, they crying.
That's not true. It's not true.
They start crying.
Just because you got thick skin and don't cry at all, don't get sensitive for no reason at all.
When was the last time I cried?
I don't know. I think I've only seen you cry once. It was a half a cry. What even a full cry? It was like a half a cry.
I don't cry at funerals, so
You don't go to funerals.
I don't go to funerals.
But sit and watch everybody funeral online. Like, she is literally, I walk in the room, she laying there watching Michael Jackson funeral. Aretha. Was it Aretha?
That was Aretha.
Aretha
Don't say
funeral.
Patty like
I almost said
CNN.
Patty.
Like CNN.
I mean, who else? Everybody. She watched funerals, like, just for the fun of it.
I just want to see because okay. So the reason I do this because these people have money. They died with money, so of course their family and their fans they want to see them go out. You know, Aretha went out in a solid gold fucking casket. Kim Porter had a solid gold casket.
You watched hers too?
The part that we could see, some of them, you know, somebody was in there trying to secretly record. It looked like the pastor, the reverend, was on the altar trying to secretly record. It's like it really was just BS. It wasn't really nothing, but it wasn't high quality like George H.W. Bush's funeral was. And you could even see what kind of coffin he had. They had it draped with the flag. Well, I didn't finish it to see if they took the flag off, give it to the family. Blah 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 blah. Anywho, I just want to see like what kind of money these folks wasted on their funeral. Like, not to knock them or whatever, but
They don't need the money no more. They're dead, so you might as well spend it somehow.
on my funeral, I ain't gonna see it. What you putting me in a gold casket for?
I mean, if you like gold.
Aretha, I really don't remember the exact number, but her viewing was a couple days long or whatever. They changed her clothes. Then they changed her clothes again for her funeral.
Maybe she wanted to, when she performed, she changed outfits between.
And that's how they made her funeral.
So
That's how
maybe
they
she
made her
wanted
funeral,
to-
like a performance. Like,
Maybe she wanted to change her outfits,
Like-
honey. She wanted to be fly.
she was in
all the way
Detroit.
through.
She was in Detroit, Michigan, like for I don't remember how many days, but it was like an open viewing. People paid, I believe, to pay to go there and view Aretha's body. People probably ain't never seen a woman in their life. Never was able to go to her concerts or whatever, but they.
It was like a concert. They had singing. Did they have singing and stuff? Well, that was just a viewing.
It was just a viewing, I believe. The funeral, I believe, was like private, family, friends, blah, blah, blah. But the viewing was to the public. You could pay. I believe you could pay. I don't know. Don't quote me. But I believe you paid to go view this woman's body. I seen on, then they had on YouTube the whole, you could look at it on YouTube. Like even when they put her in the mausoleum, put her coffin in the mausoleum, like it's just.
Says the person who wants a Toy Story funeral.
I didn't say that. I just want you to sing that one, had that one song. I don't even want a funeral.
So you want...
I don't want a funeral because a buffet of people that I probably went to like elementary through high school with. People I don't talk to, family that I don't talk to, don't deal with. They gonna be there. And then I want somebody to stand up and say it loud for the bitches in the back. I didn't mess with you like that. Jeez. It's nothing wrong with watching funerals. I mean, Jesus, they had George Bush's funeral on the damn TV all day long. So I was like, well, I didn't have time to watch it, so I just watched it when I had time on the internet. What's nothing wrong with that?
No, I've never watched anybody's funeral, so I don't know.
Well,
the only funeral I saw, I didn't see the funeral. When they took Biggie down the last drive-through, and they took him through the neighborhood, that's the most I saw of a funeral. On TV. That wasn't even a funeral, it was just a ride.
you probably can watch that on, I believe you watched it on YouTube. Did you watch it on the movie, or did you watch it like when it happened, like?
The movie.
It's so silly.
I'm full.
Oh my God.
What? I got one last burp need to come out. Oh, okay, guys. So, this is the end of our mukbang today. Our mukbang and our chit chat, whatever you want to call it. If you enjoyed my burping in this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to like this video. Subscribe to our channel. We still trying to build our subscribers up. Subscribe to our channel. And what else? That's it. Until next time, we out.